Welcome back, everybody. It's Chad from The Right Line. Today we're working on the Overland trailer. We're putting in our new RV doors, one for either side. Since the last time you saw the Overland trailer, I don't quite know if I'd had this top rail put on yet, but I got the top rail put on, got the corners built there, and in the front, of course, and I got the door built for the back, and that's kind of where the spare tire is going to go. I don't have that permanently mounted just yet, although I do have the hinges. I kind of wanted to wait a little bit. I kind of got a little far on it and thought, you know, maybe I'll just stop on that for a little bit. And of course, then about that time, my RV doors arrived in the mail here. So what I'm doing today is I'm just building the framework for that. I've got two pieces that are going to go in the top here and then the bottom there. The filler panel that I'm using, the ACM, will fill in this space right here nice, and it'll fill in this space down here nice. Actually, it's going to overlap the metal framework. The hole in this space in the panel is not going to be the outside size, rather, but the inside size. You can see where the tubing is here and here. It's just going to be the inside size. So that panel from Piedmont Plastics, you won't see this metal framework underneath. You'll just see an opening, and the door is going to screw on right over the top of it and be sealed on with some seam sealer. One door down. So I haven't actually worked on the Overland trailer in about 2 or 2.5 weeks or so, maybe even 3 weeks. I was gone for a week in New Mexico for an event, but I came out here tonight just to kind of play around with this today, and I got the framework here built for that RV door. Put that center bar in right there. That's got to be welded in as well. Working on this bar here, and then I'll have a corresponding one on that side. And the last thing I want to do today is weld my hinges on for the swinging door. And this door is going to open to the passenger side, or to the shoulder side of the road. The frame I'm going to build for the rooftop tent is actually going to sit as far forward on the frame of the trailer as it can go. So the 120 pounds of rooftop tent is going to start right here, and it's going to go to, where did I mark it on the trailer? Here. The rooftop tent is going to live on this trailer, as well as the 270 awning. Alright, so now that I got the hinges on, I'm not so sure I like where I put the spare. Now, where should I put it, you know? I mean, that's kind of the question. For now, I'll just leave it where it is, and kind of tinker with it the way it is, unless I have some kind of a wild epiphany. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video. This one's just going to be short. I didn't plan on spending all day out here. Just wanted to get those frameworks done. This will be video 4 of this build series. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please consider a like, comment, or share. Make a comment down below. Tell me what you think. I'll see you again next time. Didn't like it, so back to the drawing board. See you in the next video.